And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 3. Let me show you how you can reset the layout, and in general we want to use the layout that I show you here throughout all of my tutorials in this playlist. If we use a different one, I'm gonna mention it specifically and show you how to set it up. But for us it's important, if you haven't done so, go to Edit, Preferences, General, and then reset the preferences. And if you click on it, you will get this warning message that you have to restart Illustrator. And under User Interface you can adjust the colors. That's stuff that we're going to talk about later, but we're going to use this brightness level. But some people want to adjust it. If it's too bright, it's not that easy on the eye, so you can set that up here under User Interface. But the important part is, after I've confirmed here, okay, I cancel because I don't want to restart now. The important part is to go to Window now, find the workspace, and here we use Essentials Classic, and you can reset that here as well. So Reset Essential Classics should look like this. Basically all of these Adobe programs allow you to drag the menus around. If you're familiar with Photoshop, that works in the same way. You can even open a certain toolbox and then drag this around and detach it basically. And it's pretty hard to now drag it back into position. You can see if I try that with the properties, it doesn't look like it originally looked like. So whenever you get lost, you misclicked, something is not in position, just go to Window, Workspace, Reset, Essentials Classic, and then everything looks like the default. Under this Window Workspace, you've also seen different options, and some of them surely make sense, especially when you have a different task. For example, you want to paint, then you can use the painting workspace. For typography, the more text-based designs, and there's also a Getting Started, which is like a minimalist Illustrator outline. It's nice to have, but I think that it's totally fine for beginners to just use the Essentials Classic right away. So just make sure that this is selected in the workspace, and if it looks different for you, go to Window, Workspace and reset it. And once again, under Edit Preferences, General, we also want to reset the preferences, and then we can be sure that we're working with the same layout in these tutorials. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.